This is Elia. If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone.
Hi, what are you guys up to? No, we don't know each other.
My mom.
Oh, finally, you're actually a goddess.
Okay, Elia, so how was today?
I'm still alive.
The next two videos are happening in Switzerland, but I actually just made it to Lisbon. So if you're around, if you want to hang out, and especially if you want to come on the channel, definitely shoot me an email. Also, the hats are still available. You have the black one and the pink one. You can check them out at socialanimal.us. That's it, enjoy the video. The Euro tour continues. I'm currently in Geneva with Elia.
Hey guys.
Elia, who actually took a train for 3 hours from Zurich, so thank you so much.
Hi guys, I'm Elia. I'm 33 years old and I work in event industry. Like, I want to get comfortable with talking to people in general, and especially beautiful women, because I have like this blockage in my head. I'm afraid of being judged, basically. Like, oh yeah, no, they're gonna think I'm creepy, and they're gonna judge me, and they're gonna tell me that I'm not okay, basically. I'm really excited about the whole day, basically. Yeah, me too.
Any last word before we start?
Yeah, please tell my mother that I love her. Hey, hi.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Good. Do I know you? Sorry.
No, we don't know each other. I just thought you're really beautiful, and I wanted to come and say hi.
That's sweet.
What's your name? I'm Elia. Nice to meet you.
Are you Russian by any chance?
No, I'm actually Swiss.
Oh, because Ilya is like somewhat of a Russian name.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Do you want to walk for a bit?
I'm actually
You heading
meeting
this
with
direction?
friends for lunch. So
Okay.
I've got to run. I'm sorry.
All right.
But it was really nice. Thank you, though.
Thank you too.
Really cute
Have a
too.
nice day. How is beating?
I mean, good, otherwise you would be dead. I haven't had a subscriber die on the video yet. So
I'm a bit
please.
shaky, but I'm okay. Nothing bad happened. And she was smiling and she was really friendly,
Yeah.
and
She was very flattered.
yes.
You know, when you meet someone like this, especially like randomly like this, the probability that they don't have time right now is pretty high, right? Like they're probably like doing something,
yeah, sure.
whatever. The fact that she doesn't have time right now doesn't mean that you can hang out with her in the future, right? So you could have been like, hey, you know, let's well, it's fine, I'll let you go, let's get a drink next week, let's do something another time, you know what I mean? Like she just has to meet some friends right now, you know. It's too bad she left, because otherwise I would have made you go back.
Hi guys. Hey, how are you doing?
Good.
What are you guys up to?
Gonna take a boat.
Oh, you're here for a holiday?
Yeah.
Sorry, this is really random. I just thought you were kind of cute and I wanted to say hi.
Thank you.
Okay, you have a nice day.
Thank you.
I'm dying. She didn't even look at me.
Your energy is not as is a bit different than before. If someone comes and talks to you, subconsciously you're always gonna wonder like, what do this person want from you? And here, you know, you walked in, you were kind of like, hey, what's up guys? What are you guys up to? You only told her that you thought she was cute like later. You know what I mean? It just keeps people in a kind of like an uneasy situation for like more than they should be. You know. So just be more like spontaneous about it. Yeah. I didn't realize this is such a aquatic area. It was like a beach town. If I had known, I would have brought a swimsuit.
Hey, hello. Hi. Bonjour. You speak English? Ok, français. Ah, je crois que tu es jolie et je voudrais dire salut.
Merci, c'est gentil.
Tu fais quoi?
J'attends des amis.
Ah,
I'm
vraiment?
waiting friends.
Okay. Are you just meeting for Sunday? It's really nice weather, is it?
Yeah, it's a beautiful city. Where we come from?
I'm from Zurich.
Oh,
Actually, yeah, and I'm just like around here with my friend on a city trip. First time in Geneva, actually.
Ah, good. It's beautiful in summer.
Yeah.
My English is not very.
Oh,
good,
it's
but
okay. Mon français est pas très
pas-
mal aussi.
I don't speak German at all. At all, at all.
But your English is actually not that bad. Oh, perfect. Hey, I have to catch my friend again, but do you think we can swap like numbers?
I
Or
have
do you
a
have...
boyfriend, sorry.
Oh, he's a lucky one.
I tell him he's a lucky one.
Okay,
Maybe
sure.
sometimes I have to remember.
Yeah, okay,
He's a
he
lucky
forgets.
one.
Okay, you have a nice day and
too.
enjoy the stay.
You too.
Nice talking to you.
Thank
Have
you,
a good
you too.
one.
Bye.
Hey, bye bye. That was actually much better.
Yeah, much better.
Yeah, I was like more flowy and
One feedback to give you is at the end you said, oh, like if you want, we can swap numbers. You're not here to exchange for numbers.
yeah,
You're
I
here
want to
because
spend time
you
with
want
her.
to see them.
Hey, how are you? Hi. Sorry, this is really random. I just thought you're really cute and I wanted to say hi. My name is Elia. Nice to meet you too. Are you? I'll quickly sit down. Are you here for a holiday?
Yeah, this is my brother.
Oh, nice to meet you. What's your name? Where are you guys from?
Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan. Okay.
From?
I'm from Switzerland actually.
Okay.
Yeah. I just like in town with
That's my mom.
Oh, really nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hello. I just wanted to say hi because you
Yeah.
have a very beautiful daughter.
Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Elia.
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 And you're
Yeah.
from here, from Geneva.
No, I'm actually just here with my friend. Yeah, and I live in Zurich.
Ah, you're in Zurich.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Is it okay if I get your Insta? Do you have like Instagram or something? Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah.
I wish you all the best.
You too. Yes,
Yeah, never nice meeting you. Have a good one.
Damn, how was
Wow.
that?
I didn't expect the whole family to show up. I was like, oh, this is my brother. Oh, this is my mother. Oh, boy.
You were pretty chill, you were pretty relaxed.
Yeah.
So that was good. And you
Yeah.
still have the balls to ask her out in front of the family, so I thought it was good.
I was just like being genuine and also being like genuine with my intent of showing up.
One little feedback is, when we talk to people, there's a lot of things that happens through the
Through
eyes.
the yeah, I had my
And
sunglasses.
Okay, little break.
Hey, hi.
Hello.
Sorry, this is really random. I noticed you earlier and I thought you were very cute and I wanted to come and say hi.
Oh, thank you so much.
What are you guys up to?
We actually are about to leave.
Are you here in a holiday or?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Where you from?
I'm from England.
From England. Where about?
Down at Brighton, down in the southeast.
Brighton.
Yes. And you? Are you from around here?
Yeah, not from Zurich. I'm visiting town with a friend and yeah, we're just here for. I live and work there basically. I work in events.
It's very beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
used
it's
to live there.
there's a lot going on. Oh, you really?
Yes. I
How
used to live
come?
there from 2017 to 2019. I worked there very briefly.
What work do you do? Would you like to go and have a drink maybe sometime later?
I would love to, but I think we don't have time. Maybe some other time.
We can always exchange. Do you have like an Insta?
I do have Instagram.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, by the way, what's your name? Hey, really nice. Elia. You're actually a goddess, yeah?
Yes, I
Great.
was conceived in Sweden.
Speaks to my heart.
Well, yeah,
Hey,
we're gonna stay in
it was really nice meeting
Nice
you.
to meet you.
Have a good one. And your name? Also nice to meet you. You too have a good one. That was a lot better.
Yeah, you were pretty chill. When you started the interaction, you said, oh, I know it's random, and you say, oh, I noticed you earlier. You're just making it a bigger deal than it is. I think next time, just sit, just pull a chair and sit with them. But besides that, it's pretty good.
Yes. Hi, how are you doing? Ah, tu parles français?
Je parle français.
Français. Ok, je vais essayer. Ah, je te trouve jolie et je voudrais dire salut. Tu vas, comment tu vas?
Ça va, merci.
Ah, très bien, merci. Ouais. T'es d'ici de Genève?
Je viens de... Ouais, du coin, ouais, j'habite dans le coin.
Tu fais quoi?
Non, du tout, je fais un stage, un internship in interior architecture.
Oh! T'es une architecte alors? Oh.
Interior architect. Parce que toi, ça fait longtemps que t'es ici, du coup?
Ah non, c'est seulement pour le jour. Je
Ah
suis
ouais.
ici avec un ami. En
Ah, ok,
effet.
d'accord, ça marche.
Je voudrais dire salut.
Ouais, pas de soucis.
Alors on a dit salut. Tu veux peut-être un autre jour aller pour un café?
Pourquoi pas, ouais.
Je peux prendre ton
oui.
numéro de téléphone? Ah, Elia. Très joli.
Merci. C'est ça, ouais. Tu viens d'où?
Moi je viens de Zurich.
Ah, Zurich, ah, ok.
Ouais.
Tu parles allemand et anglais, ça? Non, même pas.
Italien.
Ah, italien. Ah, ouais, ok, je vois.
Alors, je dois y aller.
Ok, pas de soucis.
Enchanté.
Enchanté.
Une autre fois.
Boom.
Hey.
Nice.
That was really nice, yeah. Felt better, like pretty relaxed. A bit nervous when I realized she doesn't speak English, but we
Yeah, you managed.
helped out. Like, yeah, it was a nice interaction, and she's actually interesting.
Yeah,
I like what she does, and
I would encourage you to try to focus on right now. You know, because like, what do you do? Where are you from? That's very general. You know, you can
Yeah.
ask this anywhere. you
yeah,
know?
true.
But I would encourage you to use right now. You know, what's
Yeah.
happening right now.
I don't know, it gets better every time. Hi. Hello, how are you doing? Sorry, I just found you really cute and I wanted to come and say hi. What are you doing?
I'm working.
Oh, you're working?
Yeah.
What do you do?
I'm in marketing
Marketing? What do you market?
for ORG.
Come again?
ORG.
What is that?
Watches.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So like luxury or?
Yeah. And what about you?
I'm a freelancer basically for event business.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Sorry, but I have a meeting just in 2 minutes.
Oh, sure, yeah. But maybe you want to grab a drink sometime so we can exchange numbers?
No, it's okay. I have a boyfriend.
Oh, okay.
But
He's
thank you for
a
coming.
lucky one.
But thank you for coming.
Yeah, thank you. You have a nice day.
Yeah, you too.
Enjoy.
I think
Well,
your
yeah.
general energy is much better than earlier. So
Yeah, like before, it gets easier every time, and like my heart is not beating.
that's much.
It was chill.
Okay.
I
Cool.
was chill. Yeah.
I mean, yeah, today is pretty chill, honestly. You always say like, oh, you're very cute, you're beautiful. I just want to say hi, to meet you. You're
Yeah.
kind of narrating what's happening.
Okay,
You know, oh,
yeah.
you know what I mean? Try to just
Okay.
jump in. You know, I'm.
Hello. How are you doing? What are you up to?
Sorry?
I just want to come and say hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine, thanks.
Just chilling or
Yes,
free time?
yes, finally. Sunday.
Finally, so you had a lot of work.
Yes. Always.
What's your name? Nice to meet you. My name is Elia.
Nice to meet you. Are you from here?
No, I'm actually from Zurich.
Oh, okay.
I'm just
nice.
visiting for
Okay,
the day.
Cool.
Actually, my first time in Geneva.
Yeah,
Are you
nice.
from here?
No, I'm from Samoritz. Yeah.
Samoritz. Oh, so Bandage.
Also, Hochdeutsch, ja.
Hochdeutsch?
Nein, ich bin italienisch Muttersprache.
Ah, okay.
Ja,
Also besser Englisch oder Deutsch?
egal.
Egal.
Und bist
Ja.
du hier allein oder bist du mit Kollegen?
Ja, nein, ich bin mit dem Kollegen da, aber der ist gerade am Telefon und da dachte ich sag mal Hallo.
Ja, schön. Und
Ja.
bleibt ihr da für das Wochenende?
Nein, nur heute.
Ah, nur heute.
So
ganz schnell.
Stadtrundgang und noch ein Freund, der auch hier wohnt.
Okay, cool.
Und dann am Abend wieder zurück. Morgen muss ich arbeiten.
Ja,
Ja,
klingt gut.
genau. Ja, was machst du noch heute?
Nix eigentlich. Ich treffe später mit einer, in einer Stunde mit einer Kollegin.
Ja,
Essen mal und etwas zusammen und dann morgen muss ich auch arbeiten.
ja. Was machst du?
Ich arbeite hier in seines Geschäft, aber ich bin nur da für 1 Monat. Ich war auch in Zürich ein paar Mal.
Ja,
Schon
also
toll.
dann bist du so viel am Umherreisen nun. Okay.
Ja, ziemlich viel.
Ah,
ja,
krass.
Im Moment.
Ja.
Und du?
Ja, auch viel am Reisen.
Okay.
Ich gebe Kurse für Stapler und Hebebühnen und dann mache ich auch so Klettern für Rockkonzerte.
Ah, cool.
So genau, ja, ich kletter dann ins Dach und hänge da die Lampen auf und sowas.
Ah,
Ja, ja.
interessant. Das ist schon was Spezielles.
Ja, gibt's nicht jeden Tag.
Ja,
Aber ist
das
schön.
Im Sommer viel zu tun, besonders.
Ja, also jetzt ist gerade Pause.
Okay.
Jetzt habe ich eben Zeit. Normalerweise habe ich nie Zeit im Sommer.
Ja.
Aber so im Ende Juli, August habe ich immer so ein bisschen Zeit. Das ist
Ist
schön.
auch gut, oder? Ja,
Ja.
ein bisschen zum Genießen, ein bisschen Ferien.
Ja, genau.
Ja, das ist schön.
Ja, hey, hast du Lust, vielleicht mal was trinken zu gehen später?
Ich weiß nicht, ob ich schafft, weil, wie
Ja.
gesagt, ich habe so bald diese Termine.
Ja.
Aber
Ja, wir können ja einfach mal Nummer tauschen und dann schauen wir mal, ob es passt oder nicht. Ja?
Okay.
Ja, hey, hat mich gefreut.
Ja, danke. Also dann eventuell.
Vielleicht ein andermal.
Ja, genau.
Schauen wir
Ja,
mal
ja.
später, wo wir sind. Und,
Ja, genau.
hey, und sonst wünsche ich dir einen schönen Tag.
Gleichfalls,
Genieß es
danke.
und
Gleichfalls.
alles gut. Ciao.
How was that? You're gonna have to help me translate because I don't speak any German. So
Okay, that was more spontaneous. Probably the biggest takeaway for today is don't take it too seriously.
Yeah.
And especially don't take yourself so seriously.
exactly. Any last word?
Yeah. Life is amazing. Life is amazing and every experience is cool. Yeah, I don't know. I'm a bit overwhelmed by this moment. It's really
Okay.